Yo,
Hey man, how you doing? You okay? I thought you were muted then. Hey.
yo,
Hey man, how you doing? You okay? I thought you were muted
I'm
then. Hey.
good, bro.
Hey man, how you doing? You okay? I thought you were muted
I'm
then. Hey.
good, bro. How you doing?
Yeah, not bad. How was your weekend? Was it right?
Yeah, I just had one of those lazy ones again. Went to the restaurant yesterday. That was about it.
That's nice, man.
Yeah. That. Let's pop it in here. Let's do that. Let's pop that in here. That. Get rid of that, and then we should be live. I think. Yes. All right. Oh man. Holy moly. 4 hour is literally on steroids. Literally on steroids. What's going on, Roland? How you doing, man? Good morning, bro. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Matter of fact, I'm about to wait for more people here. Just mark up the zones real quick.
Are you on YouTube now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway. Just mark up the charts real quick. This section's choppy though. It's a bunch of choppy business. Bunch of fake outs. Bunch of bamboozles. For then today's candle to just fly up already. Jesus, man. Looks like this area. I wonder when this area is gonna break, man. I really do wonder when this area is gonna break. Yo, good morning, Jay Martins. How you doing, bro? Good to see you on stream. Excuse me. There you have that. 4 hour support right here as well. Projecting off of. Yo, pimp and pips. How many pips you pimp this weekend, pimp? You was probably on crypto pimping them, huh? Hope everyone had a great weekend. You had a lazy weekend, honestly. The only thing I did, I went to the restaurant with my girl. That's about it. Saturday flew by. Saturday just blew by. It was insane how fast Saturday went. Right? Doing good, bro. How you doing? Mr. Pimp and Pip. So gold is, gold came into this area, 4 hour support for the second time on the 15-minute time frame, and is rejecting. But the 4 hour closes in 30 minutes. So until that happens, you're actually bound to just sit on your hands and not do anything. Honestly. Honestly. So I'm just gonna be looking for the pullback in the buys, and I will potentially take profit at 1937, maybe 1944. It may be even 1957. Who knows, man? Who knows? Pimped some pips this morning on Euro AUD. Good job, bro. Decent, decent. Don't trust this short on gold. If you do trust it, it's only for a short period of time. It will be a pullback short. So if you want to scalp it, be my guest. I'm going to catch the move that's going to stop the greedy people out when they're selling. And I'm buying. Oh, man. Jeez. These could have been nice buys right here. I was below 15 pips, 30 pips. What are you guys looking at, man? Ash and Drandre, what are you guys trying to get into?
I don't know. I've only just started looking at the charts, man. But so I don't have anything at the moment. But I'm obviously looking at gold.
Yeah. Oh my God, butt plug, get the. Come on, bro. What's up, man? How you doing? Damn. Get a 9 pip stop loss, man. What? Just like enter here, stops above 7 pips. Looking for 14. TP hit. I was cleaning my charts, marking new stuff. What you looking at, Jay? What's your thought process on the week? Right? What's your thought process on the week? If I could be real with you, if I could be very real with you, this we're in a big range, right? From let's mark it off. From here to here. This is our range. But honestly, looking at this weekly candle, right? With this weekly candle, I mean last week's candle. I think we're about to reject and come down to fill that wick. Honestly, it might not happen. That's why I'm just being very careful, especially now looking at today's candle. Because if today's candle closes like this, or anyway like this, then that means that tomorrow's candle should wick down and then break these highs for us to be then in this range on the daily, which would then be that range on the weekly, right? So it's good to be patient and sit on your hands for today. Well, not really sit on your hands, just wait for more candles to play out. Cause the 4 hour engulfed one, two, three candles. This is a powerful candle. No one should be looking for shorts right now, right? You should look for buys. I have an entry. Send a chart, bro. Morning, GOAT in class. You're GOAT, Antonio Parker. Welcome to the stream, bro. Thank you for tuning in again. Antonio the GOAT. My man, my man. Welcome, welcome. All right. Now it's basically just waiting. Wait for the 4 hour to close, which is in about 17 minutes, 15 minutes, 24 minutes, and then wait for the bottom wick on the next 4 hour candle and drive it up. Much better risk management and staying focused. Yeah, you can't slip up. It's like you got to come to the charts like 3 hours, 4 hours, however long, and in those 3 4 hours you got to be constantly, looking at the time frames, seeing what it wants to do, seeing what it potentially could do, and then when you're done those 3 hours, it's like whew, done, right? Just done. One trade a day, one trade. Um, that's it. One trade a day, one good trade a day. If you lose, you lose. If you win, you win. Just make sure your risk to reward is on point. That's what I told myself I'm gonna focus on this week because last week I left a ton of money on the table. I left last week at least I left like 15% on the table just by closing one to twos and not leaving, you know, the runners run. Well, 15% is maybe a little too much, but let's say at least like 5% minimum, right? Minimum. I left a lot of money on the table, dude. 5 to 10% guaranteed. Well, and actually just some back testing, Ash and Andre, with these little things that we were looking at on Friday.
How did that go, man?
I mean, I didn't do live back testing. I just did
You got it.
the numbers part.
Yeah, yeah,
And it normally happens at like overextended buying periods, like when it's overextended.
yeah.
It wouldn't happen like in the range like this. That's what I just noticed already. Like right here's one already, but yeah, it looks like honestly, it looks like it's about to reject it and come down. That's what it looks like, right?
It does.
But that's what 4 hour needs to close. 4 hour closes above here. Good. I'm looking for a pullback though for this next 4 hour. This looks like this looks perfect, right? To continuate higher, right? Probably catch a fat wick, and then boom. 4 hours way too bullish short. Staying focused is important, buddy. Might have to go get some more coffee here in a bit. First cup's almost gone. And honestly, though, I think this area is honestly gonna hold. I honestly think this 5 minute area is gonna hold. It's gonna funny to say, but the lower time frames on gold has been they've been holding like crazy, man. Honestly. Ah, this is disgusting. Jesus Christ. This is absolutely nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. The woman that gave you 2 entries though. 6 pips. Oh Jesus fuck. My man West African Sylvester came through. Let's have a look. Have a look at my man's chart. Oh, I think I messed up. All right, look at that, beautiful. All right. This is the 1 hour. Saw an engulfing here and took an entry here. What do you think about my TP? Should I close and wait? This is gold, right? This is gold? Or what is this? This looks like gold. Yeah, it looks like gold. So, all right. Let's look at this. Let's have a look. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Now, it's gold. Yeah, I kind of figured that. Very good trade. I think you have the best possible scenario here for us all. Then, all right, buying here was perfect. But I'm gonna give you two. What is this on the 1 hour? I'm gonna give you two things that you could have done better. It's a good trade, good execution. Um, but one thing, if you was basing on a 1 hour, you could have had a. Oh man, that's yellow. Make that green. You could have had an entry at the break of this 1 hour candle, and then your stops had to be here. Like even with your stop loss right now, it needs to be below structure, right? To have it safer. Yeah, you're gonna risk 3 to 4 more pips, but it's structure. So if price decided to then spike down again, right, then you would have got hit because it could have very well done that, right? Overall, very good trade though. Just those 2 pointers. You could have gotten in at the break here, like I said, and your stop loss always needs to be below structure. Always. I feel like. Right. Very good trade. Honestly, I do think we're gonna come up here. Maybe, maybe not. It all depends on the 4 hour closes and stuff like that. Because as you see right now, 4 hours creating its top wick. Then 4 hours creating its top wick for the next 4 hour candle to leave a bottom wick and to drive higher. The next 4 hour candle does that. Most definitely can drive higher into 1938. Most definitely, 100%. That's going to be my TP. But if we end up breaking 1938, then most definitely you could look at TPing here. I don't know if you have the patience to hold that because that might happen overnight. That might happen not today. It might happen tomorrow, right? If you have the patience to hold that, which me personally, I'm going to be working on this week because, like I said last week, I left tons of money on the table. I'm going to bump up my risk to reward to 1 to 3s instead of 1 to 2s, right? 1 to 2s, I'll probably put it at break even and then let it run to 1 to 3, right? Very good trade. Just expect a pullback. Expect a pullback, right? You have your break structure on the 1 hour or 30-minute and the 1 hour, right? And the 4 hour right here. This is that area. So you might get a retest into here, or you might get a deeper retest and then continue into this area. Potentially pull back, do some fugazi shit again, and then like that, right? That's the only messed up thing about buying is like when you short gold, except for here, right? Um, Normally when you short gold, it's like this, right? Like if you enter here, boom, stops are at break even. It's never coming back. But with gold and buys, it's like okay, we're gonna buy, pull back, buy, pull back, buy, pull back, buy, pull back, buy, pull back. Buys are really, you know, I don't know how to put it. Buys I kind of like shorting gold more honestly. Yeah, bro, no problem. And honestly, the 4 hour, the next 4 hour candle might not even give us a pullback because there's so much bullish pressure in here. What this 4 hour candle might do is literally that's why I have this zone marked off. Literally stop right here. Jigger jab, jigger jab, jigger jab, boom, fly up. Right? Go back, look into the history, look at the previous data. These 15-minute zones, man, they're weird. They're holding like crazy. Look at this whole zone right here on the 15-minute. Right? Price came up, boom, held. Eventually did drop. Eventually, but this is a move. You can catch that, why not? Same thing here, 15-minute zone. Right? Price came to it, did what? Spike down in there, whee! Eventually dropped again. Right? But hey, those are moves, man. Look at that 15-minute zone. Wow, which is also weekly support, so I actually can't use that. Look at that. Boom. Gone. Boom. Gone for a bit. Then it came back. So, you're welcome, bro. No worries. No worries. No worries at all. Just gotta be patient, man. Be patient. For people that's not in the trade, sit back, relax. 13 minutes for the 4 hour close. Next 4 hour candle, we could get in the trade. Excuse me. Oh, it's kind of rejecting pretty hard now, isn't it? It's okay. The 4 hour still closing very strong bullish, so higher time frame trumps. Keep that in mind. Honestly, if I'm looking for any type of shorts, it wouldn't be here. It'll be at this next level, at this daily resistance, if you're looking to counter trend trade. Look at
Oh.
GJ. GJ's doing God knows what. Breaking the low. Jesus, bro. How do people trade that? Look, GJ couldn't break the daily high after having a very big daily push. This daily on GJ should pull back to a certain extent and just shoot up in everyone's face, leave everyone dry. 100%. Just looking at the daily, looks like it is struggle triple top. Now this is a good spot for the money. This is a good spot for the money. So they're about to manipulate everyone. Manipulation on GJ is about to happen at its finest. Right?
You think it's gonna shoot up?
Looking at the daily, I think so, yeah. Wait, let
Yeah.
me get rid of it. Just looking at the daily.
Yeah, yeah.
Because you have alright, come on, green dots. So you have it is last week, but just price, this is a strong bullish candle, right? But what's kind of bothering me what's kind of holding me back, this candle couldn't break the previous high. It's not closed yet, so I think GJ is just pulling back to then just shoot up. Honestly, that's what I'm waiting for. Well, not waiting. That's what I'm, anticipating on GJ.
Yeah.
GJ pulls back some, leaves everyone thinking that they're gonna short, and then they're gonna push price up because you have a resistance here, 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 stop loss here, stop loss here, stop loss here, and then you have these equal lows down here, right? So I think they're gonna weep, weep, probably. We'll see, but most definitely, if I traded GJ, I'd be looking for buys to at least target higher than this, at least higher than
Yeah.
that. That's just so obvious. So obvious. And isn't there news today? Oh, Mr. Bailey speaks. Jesus. Jesus, Mr. Bailey. Yeah, so gold's just gonna do its thing here for the next 10 minutes because it's the 4 hour close, and that's it. Trend line broke. It's a fake break. Please don't be looking for shorts unless you got in from like a sell limit up here and you're already at break even, which I know some people that actually get in there. Crazy. Oh man, let me just do this real quick. All right, that's that. Boom. I'll be right back. I'm about to get some coffee, man. All right, we're back in action, man. All right, there is no action on the charts, but I'm back. Anyway, nothing's happening. Consolidating market. Mr. Miriam Compure CBD store. Well, market's in consolidation. Hey, good morning. What's up, man? I agree with you, man. The markets is just scooting left to right, bro. That's about it. What it's doing is actually waiting for the 4 hour close. Once we get that 4 hour close, we should be good, man. Let me ask you guys a question. I'm gonna make a poll. Wait, I have to. Do they have to be yes or no? Okay. Do you guys? No, wait. Let me ask it like that. Would you guys ever risk? Ask the community. There we go. There should be a poll up. I don't know if I did it right. There we go. Let's see. There's a poll up in the chat. Answer it. Answer, answer, answer. There should be 100% no's in there, man. There should be no. Wow. Who the hell voted yes, bro?
Do you know someone that's risked 5% before, man? Is that why you're asking that?
Yeah, I had a chat with someone that risks 5% a trade and kind of blew me off proportion.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Kind of caught me by surprise. Like crazy. I was like, what are you doing, man?
Is he like a super experienced trader or?
Um, I mean, I don't know. I haven't gotten into his, he knows the markets, but I don't know his. Okay. That's obvious, right? No. 10% every trade. Yeah, but you stick butt plugs in your butt. So you can't talk. Why is your name Buttplug FX, bro? Come on, bro. Change it, bro. It's weird. It's weird, bro. Jesus Christ, bro. I mean, with all due respect, you're chill as fuck. Why can't your name be Pimpin' Pips, or why can't you be like Pimpin' Gold or something, or or um something, bro? Your name's Buttplug, bro. Buttplug. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Yeah, gold's just fucking dead. Monday, dead. Boring day. Boring start of the month. Come on, man, gold. Start moving. Jesus, do something. Go up, go down. Let me just get some excitement in here. Jesus.
Yo, Koala,
Yo, what up, bro?
check if you look at last week Monday, how the movement went, like
Um,
28th March.
what's the date on it?
So 28th March.
Okay. Let me go to
So
the 15
basically it
minute
started,
so I could get
yeah,
a.
15 minutes is good. So basically it started out in like now the evening it went one direction, and then it came back, and then it went in the
Opposite.
morning direction again. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So today, like, I'm looking for something like that again. Like, I'm not saying like the same, but I mean like similar,
Yeah,
like in terms of
100%.
direction.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
then
yeah.
obviously try and catch a buy.
Yeah, 100%. Same thing. Yeah, I'm also looking for that, bro. Yeah, it is doing that. Like probably it's 11 a.m. right? Dead zone time. So now gotta wait for the rejections. We gotta wait for the pullbacks and just load up, man. Load up for that higher high. These should be very simple buys. There shouldn't be no stress here today. Should only look for unless it decides to stay in this area, then that's it. But for the rest, man, they should be very simple buys. I might, right? But there's been times I've seen this happen before that it just sticks here and then shoots up when volume comes, right? But if you're
Yeah.
looking to buy here without the pullback, what the dangers that you can have here is the aggressive stop hunt to then spike up. So just gotta be patient. Wait for the 4 hour to close. Oh, the 4 hour closed. 4-hour close very strong, right? So now wait for that bottom wick. Wait for 4-hour to come down. Potentially, let's mark that up as well. Potentially here, the red zone. Let's draw a fib. We did break structure. Let's see to where potentially we could pull back to. So this zone, I would at least want a 50% pullback. At least. Let's draw that down into the smaller time frames. 30-minute. And the perfect pullback would be at my purple zone to then continue higher. That's the perfect pullback right here. Probably have about 23 pip stop, 30 pip stop for the nap banger. Right? Because looking at the 4-hour close way too strong to now just sell off. Unless it's gold, right? Unless this consolidates and you see a 4-hour doji candle or something, and then you start seeing the next candle breaking down lower. But honestly, pullback continuation. Or reject to the left, there is a resistance. Yeah, I mean, you shouldn't look for sells when the 4-hour closes like this. Is a beautiful 4-hour strong candle, bro. Today's gold. I usually use 30% of my account to make 4%. How long did that last? How long did that ride last, bro? So no pullback, no entry. What would be the confirmations if we do come down into this area? Well, you got our fib right here, purple zone. You got weekly support here. Very strong support zone, right? Probably catch some price action and engulfing. You name it, whatever you want to see is price action, right? It's a break and retest of structure, right? We broke structure right here, so we need to come back down. We don't need to do anything, right? Speculating on it to come back down to then continue at least to 1937, at least. We'll see. Forex Infinity. I like that name. Better than butt plug. My man butt plug, where you at, bro? I hope I didn't scare you off clowning on your name. So this fake out, that's that NFP fake out. NFP just grabbed a bunch of liquidity here, honestly. Stop losses here. Stop losses here. Got wicked. Wee. Other way. Got him, coach. Got him, coach. Got me as well. Yeah. Got me as well. Oh man, imagine that stuff. Imagine catching that 6 pip stop loss, man. That's actually ferociously insane. Catching that 10 pips. Beautiful. All right, gold's coming down. No short for now. 1926 retest. I mean, honestly, that's on you, bro. If you want a counter trend trade for the retest, that's on you. Just know that the move might not be as clean coming down, right? Gonna get a lot of, you're gonna get a lot of wicks thrown on the candles, and it's gonna be choppy coming down. But if you want to do that, bro, that's on you. I'm not gonna tell you to do that. And I can't guarantee you that it's coming back down to 1921, right? These are just zones that I have marked off that would make sense for me to catch another buy, right? But if you want to short that until 1921, if it goes to that, perfect, right? But just keep in mind, we have resistance here, right? We have 30-minute, well, resistance there. We have 15-minute support right here. So it's going to get tricky. That's one for you to answer, bro. Think you're old enough and wise enough to know if you can buy or sell that down into the pullback area. That's on you. It's an engulfing as well. Just gotta be patient now, man. Patience pays bills. Patience keeps me from 9 to 5. You know what I'm saying? Oh, man. Bro, I got a brand new vibe. Bro, I got a brand new vibe. Easiest buys coming soon? Yeah, exactly. All you gotta do is wait now. Wait, and then like the first or the second signal you get for buy, just buy it. And TP's hit. Especially with volume coming in. I was gonna write something down here, but I forgot what I was gonna write down. Jesus Christ. Oh, I remembered. I need to buy a new notebook, man. My notebook's running out of space. Easiest buys loading right up. 1 hour engulfing candle. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Exactly. Patience pays bills. Yes. Yes. How come when you guys at me, it's not yellow? You know what I mean? Like normally it should be yellow. It's not. It's weird. It's pushing down. Good job. Now it's the first 2 hours of the 4 hour candle, which should create the should create the bottom wick. All right. For the people that are counter trend trading and you're in profits, good job. But for the people that's being patient, better job. And then sometimes, let's be real, like sometimes with gold, let's be very real. If you're patient and you're waiting for your buy setup, sometimes, let's go to the higher time frames. Sometimes this happens. Where was it? This. See? You wait for your pullback, right? And then stuff like this happens, right? Telling you, man, like this could even just crack down. Honestly, I don't think so though. Sometimes that happens on gold. If you're a little being patient, just looking for buys, it just keeps falling. You guys want to see something? Ooh, it's a bullet. 556 bullet. It's a blank bullet though. It's not real. It's a practice bullet. When I was in the army. Practice, but I found it in my day pack. It's fake. It's harmless. Can't do you any harm. You see how the head is cut off? So it's harmless. I mean, big bullet though. If you get hit with that, with a real bullet like that, big bullet hurts. Yeah. That is gold for you in a nutshell. Just not moving. Correction. Pullbacks are always slow. Pullbacks are always slow. I think today after the stream is just sit on the computer today and have the charts on the other side for price to get to your buy zone and buy it. Might take a long time for price to pull back, man. Might take a long time. I'm gonna mark this off just in case. Who's smacking their mouse? It's or Jandre or Ash. Oh man. Imagine getting in here, man. That'll be dope. Yeah, man. That's it. No interaction from chat today. Just leaves me here dry and clueless of what to talk about. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, God, man, can you on gold this morning, how that other guy was saying he took a trade on the 1 hour in golf. Where would you have taken the trade, like on the 5 minute? I was just thinking about that before.
I mean, this is 7, and there is a support here. Let's.
Because I've got a 4 hour support there. Is that correct?
I don't know. Let me see.
Yeah. I just was wondering. Yeah, I was just thinking. When you were explaining it before, I was like, I wonder where you take that trade, because it doesn't look like there's like on the 5 minute.
I mean, there's a couple of scenarios here. So you had. So let's see. My man Sylvester got in right here.
Yeah.
Which is obviously a good entry, but could have been better.
Yeah.
But okay, like obviously, like this would have been hard to catch from the first direct buy, which was right here, right?
Yeah.
So the first direct buy that I see is at the break of here, break it out, and then stops below, right? But the more safer one would be the resistance break right here, right?
Yeah.
This would have been the more safer one, right? You would have had a break above here, knowing you had 5-minute resistance to the left. So it's basically break and retest, fib. This would have been the play. But there's multiple. There's an entry. There's also an entry, at the break of here. Why? Because price rejected here, pushed up very nice, came back, rejected, created support, first higher low on the 5-minute, right? Rejected one last time for the rocket ship up. Then obviously price came down. But this is all NFP, I think, no? Oh no, this happened all this morning. Jesus fuck. Right? Then price came back to that area, retested the 5-minute resistance, created a nice strong bullish candle at
Yeah.
8:05, which is a volume time because it's 1 hour before London Open. So you get a push, and then you get that London Open continuation push normally,
Yeah.
right? Let's see, 9. Yeah, okay. Now it just jibber jabbed, right? So now dead zone. We should pull back for the New York to continue us higher up.
Yeah.
Very simple, but that's how I could have probably gotten in. But
Okay.
I'm sleeping this time.
Yeah, I was just interested because I was looking at where I would have entered, and I didn't actually see that where you said where it pulled back.
Yeah, it's the resistance, it's lower low, lower high, and then this is your
Yeah.
first higher low got created. We're gonna get into this, but this is one, two, well actually 3. This one has to leave. It's a 3-leg extension, basically like the first higher low. The first higher low that gets created, the first lower low that gets created on the lower time frames could tell you a lot, right? Could tell you a lot. Like for example, even here, right, higher low, right, higher high, higher low, high, couldn't break. 1, 2, 3, break structure right here.
Yeah.
Potentially
And
could come down lower, potentially, right?
yeah.
But nice entries in that area. 15. I would never even do that honestly, because it's just pulling back. I'll be right back. I'm about to run to the bathroom real quick. All right. The reason I didn't enter on that 5-minute London Open is that on the 15-minute it didn't come to do a proper wick. Oh man, what a shitty ass weather today, bro. You mean here? Well, you said London Open. Ooh, yeah, this week's fucked up. This week is messed up. That would have been on a 15-minute hard to catch, because then you would honestly have to have your stops here, right? But then you would target, your first area of struggles is here, which is 185, and then your second area is right there, which is beautiful. But I agree, this 15-minute wick kind of messed everyone up. But if you would have just kept focused and you would have saw this. I mean, I love taking these setups, honestly. These break and retest setups. Like, there was no way to get in this 15-minute leg without looking at the 5-minute and really pinching price to see what's going on, right? That's why I love the 5-minute time frame sometimes as well, right? Man, there's like so windy outside and it's like so cold as well. Jesus Christ. Pull back for USD. Yeah. I think gold needs to pull back into one of our marked areas, give us some nice price action, and buy it right back up. New York Open. See, look, and it honestly, I don't even think it's gonna break here. I'm not gonna. We're just gonna have to see. 23.60 pullback, at least to the 38.20. Jesus. But if you have a 38.20 pullback, you know the trend is strong. So it's gonna have to be patient, sit on our hands, man. I really wanted to come down to my purple zone, definitely, which my purple zone indicates 30-minute break and retest of support. This 30-minute candle is engulfing 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, so it's a very strong rejection as of right now. Even the 1 hour is engulfing 2 candles, right? But it's doing that in the first half hour. So I wonder where the second half hour is going to go. Second half hour is going to reject. Then the next 1 hour candle is going to eat up that wick and continue lower. Watch. You could even, potentially do something like this. Have a stop loss like that. 44 pips. It is a ton of pips though. But if you didn't manage to hold for the whole move, at least TP1 into here, you're looking at a 3 risk to reward, man. That's good. Just a big stop loss. Yes, sir. No news, so I think I could get rid of that. Factory orders, who cares? So can I do buy stops on 1927.80? That's on you, bro, if you want to do that. Enjoy. Right? I never said that. I never said anything about, 1928 or 1927.80, sorry. That's right now. That's like your buy stop probably just got activated then if you have that. Yeah. Oh. Today. Oh, dude. Bro, Merriman, it's your account, bro. You trade. I give you the idea. I talk about my idea. It's on you how you trade. If you wanna see what I'm doing to do the same thing, it's you're gonna hit buy and sell, not me. Right? If you want me to hit buy and sell on your shit, I want 80% of the profits. You keep 20. No, you keep 10 actually, because I'm doing all the work. But you're hitting buy and sell. So if you think a buy stop is good here, right, then you're in drawdown right now. I broke down my idea like 20 times already. 20 times. It's very simple. It's a question I know, bro. If we come back to 1828, there's a long pullback. 1828. Oh, damn. Yeah, that'll be 1828. Oh, man, you're talking way, way. Okay, by the time we get there, bro, I'll be in shorts. Trust. If we come to 1828, man, I'll be shorting until down here. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I've missed an opportunity because I just put my alarm on. I don't miss your live after joining live. I took a little nap. Oh, 19. Oh, 1928. I was like, damn. 1928. Yeah, I think that's not. Wait, what did you say even? We come back to 1928. 1928's in drawdown right now, bro. You want price to come down to at least 1920. Right? Wait for price to come down to 1920. If it even wants to come that deep, right? It's looking very good right now for the buys. For the people that's shorting, very good job. Right? And it honestly, it might even play right here in this area and shoot up from right here because this is the 4-hour structure that we broke out of, right? So let's see. Tell you one thing. I could give you guys tips on where price might be with the explanation, but I won't tell you where to get in at. That's not my goal. If I wanted a signal service, I would do that, but that's not my goal. $15-minute broke structure right here. Now, next 15-minute candle is going to wick in here somewhere, potentially drive down lower, or do that and then reject here, right? So you got to be thinking like, while you're anticipating a buy, you got to keep your mind going like, yeah, what could happen here? What could happen there? And then if you see what happens, say I just see what happens and it actually happens at this area, then you're going to be more confident in taking that buy or that sell or whatever you're looking at. Right? Price broke that trend line. Got an engulfing candle. $16 pips. Actually got hit 2-1 on a pullback. 2-1 on a pullback, man. Probably gonna crack deeper. Ooh, I'm gonna crank my heater up real quick. It is actually cold. Give it like 5 minutes. It'll be hot as hell in here. Alright. So, as of right now, you should be waiting. Still waiting if you're looking for buys. 30-minute closed engulfing. Buy a bunch. Engulfed to 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. Very strong engulfing. Very, honestly, could be the target for these buys, right? Could be the target for these buys. Potentially a target, right? 1 hour closes in 30 minutes. Watch. I want to draw down a little lower though. See that? See that second half hour, the 30 minutes starting to bamboozle a bit? Or second half hour of the 1 hour. Oops. Ooh. Bamboozled everyone. Damn, there's no. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, I think this one's just gonna drive. There's someone in here talking about I'm gonna take the counter trend trade. I hope you took the counter trend trade. Fifteen minutes should push up and back into the zone and then crack down again. Same thing with the 30 minute. 30 minutes should push up here and then come back down. 1 hour should start rejecting now for then the 1 hour to reject, the next 1 hour to reject again. If this is the zone that it wants to buy. This is the zone that it wants to buy from. Alright. Keep this in mind here. Keep that body just like that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. 8 pip stop loss. Not messing with it yet. It's not ready yet. Or is it? So now we have a 5-minute engulfing, right? At a 38.20 rejection, potentially, right? I don't like this pullback. I at least want a 50% pullback, at least. At least want a 50% pullback, man. At least 15-minute. Because the 15-minute should reject here and then continue because it did break structure on the 15. But hey, who am I to tell gold what to do? There she goes. That's the buy area right there. Now you just gotta wait for the candles to close. Second half of the 1 hour candle as well is rejecting hard as of right now. Right? I want it to come lower, man. Please don't let this be one of these disciplined buys that I miss. That's too much already. This 15 minutes should reject, man. It should reject. Come lower. Man, there's actually storming outside, dude. That wind is ridiculous, man. Jesus. Yeah, so I think it's gonna be a 38.20 buy. I'm not a fan of it. I won't buy it. Larry Globe, what's going on, bro? How you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. See, this is more like it. It should reject, man. It should reject. Now, if, say, for example, this 30-minute closes bullish. Like this, exactly how it is. Then I'd look for a buy. But otherwise, nope. Bro, gold crazy today? I mean, gold's just being gold. Sadly, I missed these buys. Sadly. But I'll sleep. This isn't my trading time. That's not my trading time. This is my trading time. Right here in this consolidation mess, that's my trading time. Yeah, 15 minutes coming down like it should. 30-minute. Eddie Kim, welcome, bro. Welcome back. Love from Kenya, love from Belgium, bro. You get love from Belgium and Colorado, because I'm from Colorado, but I live in Belgium, so you get love from both countries, man. Love, bro. Oops. Look at that. Nice. Should be coming down lower. Is anyone in the counter trend trade? Is anyone in shorts? In the chat? Or is everyone waiting for a long? Already out? Oh, nice though. But you made profits though. Very good job. Anyone else in shorts? Or was in shorts? Or still holding shorts? This is... Yeah, while I'm in sales, you mentioned 21 pips in profit. Nice, bro. Nice. It should drive lower though. It should drive lower. Yeah, see, there we go. Yeah, see, 15-minute dipped into that zone. Boom. Right, should drive lower. 100%. Yeah, me in shorts from 1930.50. Oh man, you guys are killing it. Very good job, man. Ooh, that's actually a very early entry, isn't it? If I would have been in these shorts, my entry would have been right here at the break. 1930.04. That would have been my entry. 15 pip stop, right? But I'm being patient. Oh, we're gonna start the Timmy list again, okay? Gonna make you nice and big. Timmy list 4/4/2022. Number 1, the first Timmy of today, Mr. Sujit Patel. There you go, Mr. Sujit Patel. You're the first Timmy of today. Everyone, give a random applause to Mr. Sujit Patel. What is that, French or what is that? Is that Spanish?
French. It sounds very French, man.
Huh?
It sounds really French.
Yeah, the Patel sounds French, doesn't it? Sounds like spatula or some shit.
Man, I'm pretty sure he's Indian.
Yeah.
Possibly.
Sujit Patel.
Indian? Okay. I'm from India. Oh, okay, nice. Yeah, but you're on the Timmy list today. So actually, a Timmy is a noob. You know, someone that he might be from Gujarat state in India. Yeah, you're Timmy today, bro. It's okay. Timmy is nothing bad. It just means that you asked stupid questions, so you get put on the list today. Right? Oh man, there's like no buys here, dude. No way. Yes, I'm a noob, bro. Yeah. La pâtisserie is French. Je m'appelle Bank Robber. Je t'aime big boobies. You know what I mean? Who speaks French? Yeah. Je t'aime big boobies. That's the only French I know. Following you, bro, since the trading lounge days. You're a great gentleman. Thanks, bro. I try my best. The world's already fucked up how it is, alright? Let's be real. The world's fucked up. Yeah, man. Big boobies. I didn't mix like French and English. Oh man. I think people watching should give a gesture by liking the channel. You should already know how I am with that, bro. Honestly, if they wanna like the channel, that's on them. If they don't wanna like it, that's also on them. Any trades for the month? Not yet actually. Still waiting. My buy stop activated now. Nice, bro. Nice. Why are you in a $250 loss on gold? I mean, it also depends on your account size, right? 1928.80. Oh yeah, you told me that. You told me that. Why are you in a buy? Or why are you in a loss? I mean, is it part of your plan? Are you over risking? Cause $250, it depends also on how big your account is, right? You know what I'm saying? If your account's big enough for 250,000. 15 minute looks like it's about to engulf, man. It's possible. I'm with the Bulls today, buddy. And I can tell you why, Mr. Scalper, because the 4 hour, look at the 4 hour, this 4 hour is very strong bullish, right? So it's only right that this 4 hour candle should also continue bullish, if that makes sense. I do see a potential entry. I'm not gonna enter, which would be at the break it at 15 minute, anticipating an engulfing. I'm not gonna do it because I want a lower pullback. This looks like it's a 38.20 pullback and even make it to the 50. So is there a difference on the same broker on MT4, MT5? I feel MT5 has worse spreads. It should be the same. It should all be the same, bro, honestly. It just depends on your broker. Who's your broker? I've been using MT4 for a long time, so I honestly don't even know. Your zone 1923 looks nice to buy, but gold love extreme. It can go to 1919 and shoot up. Yeah, it could. I mean, my that's my perfect right there. 1919, what you just said. That's exactly where I'm looking at to buy. If I get anything in here, that'll be perfect. If the 1 hour left a wick, we wait for that wick fill and support to be formed on the lower. So, wait. If the 1 hour left a wick, we wait for that wick fill and support to be formed lower, then enter. So, let's make a scenario, right? Let's make a scenario. But obviously we would have to wait for the 1 hour to close, right? Say the 1 hour closes right here, right? Just saying. And what you would then look for is the next 1 hour candle to obviously pull up, create a top wick in the first half hour, and then pull down. Now it's important to see what it does right back when we get to that wick, right? So if it comes back to that wick and it shows rejection for the second time on a 2nd hour candle, then potentially you could, yes, see a push up. Potentially, right? But I need this to drive lower first. Antonio Parker, I want to laugh with you, bro. What's the joke about? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and then yeah, potentially that the next 1 hour candle. So not this one, but the next one breaks lower. But that's just probably like stop hunt. Honestly, Zaynab, I wouldn't look for the buys here yet. If they don't, if price doesn't pull back to at least here or here, here is no good for me. It's 38.20% pullback. I'm not a big fan of those. Right? I'm not a big fan of those. You just trade gold? Yes, sir, Mr. C. Note. Antonio's high. Antonio's high. He just laughing. Wick off. Gold on wick off phase. Don't you need volume for wick off? Don't you need the volume indicator? I mean, for wick off, right? See, like, yeah, that was just honestly a pullback to continue lower. I'm gonna snatch up these gold buys, man. You guys are gonna be like, what? This dude Antonio. I'm about to put you on a Timmy list, bro. You gotta go. Where's my Timmy list, man? Oh, Antonio, you're a Timmy today just 'cause you're high. Tony Parker. I'm gonna call you Tony Parker. I'm not even gonna call you Antonio. I'm gonna call you Spider Man. If drop fall, that will be a nice bank robbery. Yeah, 100%. I'm just waiting, bro. I'm just being patient. Yeah, see, the more it come down, the greater the TP will be. Most definitely. So, most definitely, looking at the 4 hour, right? Most definitely. All right, let's get rid of the fibs. Let's go to just Oanda, man. Let's go to Oanda, right? Say we buy here, right? Knowing what the previous 4 hour candle did, where is your next TP, right? Your next TP should most definitely be at a higher high, which is right here. So this is my first TP, right? We already rejected this, kinda. We already kind of rejected this. So I'm most definitely coming in here for this TP, right? Looks good. Very good to TP here, 1938. Potentially higher. Potentially. So if we get a buy down here, you have a 170 pip move. I'm not gonna hold that whole thing. I'm gonna just close a 1-3, 1-4. I'm not gonna hold that whole thing. No sir. I could probably try. Let's try. Gonna enter a trade and leave it like I used to do. Yeah, these buy stops here, man. I hope you got your little 10 pips and closed it. Cause boy, if not, that stop loss about to get tapped. So yeah, what it's gonna do now, it's gonna form that 10-minute, or it's gonna form that bottom wick on the hourly for then the next hour to continue lower. So this is what I'm anticipating, right? I'm anticipating this 1 hour candle or to drive a little lower or create a top wick. The next 1 hour candle, leave a top wick, drive lower, right? And then reject here or here. And then kind of have like a handicap, one of these candles, right? And then I will look for an entry at the next 1 hour candle. So I won't take a trade until like an hour before New York open. It is very windy. Do you guys hear the wind through the mic? Very windy. Jesus, storming outside. Surprised that there's no lightning yet. Thunder already. 7 degrees. Cloudy? Yeah, very cloudy as well. It's gray, no sun. Just absolutely disgusting, bro. Can't wait to milk this buy, man. Can't wait to milk this buy. Man, for the people that shorted that, man, good job, man. All they did was listen to the possibilities and what could happen. French names. Welcome to Europe. The weather is always shit. Sometimes the sun will be shining and it will start snowing. Yeah, tell me about it, bro. I've been here for 5 years. I'm sick of it. Sick of this shit. But it was worse in Colorado, honestly. Like in Colorado, where I'm from, it'll be um, like the morning will start with like sun, right? You'll wake up, sun in your face, beaming, give you a good mood. Then like midday come like 12 to 1 p.m. ish, it'll start snowing, right? Or it start raining, and like 5 p.m. come, it'll start snowing, and like 8 p.m. it'll be like a lot of wind, and then when it's dark, the sun will shine. That's how Colorado's weather system is actually going, man. It's actually insane. So yeah, 30-minute driving lower, 1 hour still driving, 30-minute, 15-minute, right? 15-minute, it looks like it can't break the low. The weather gives you a fake out. I'm telling you, come to the south, no problem here. Tell me about it, bro. I'm gonna retire somewhere where it's always warm. Trust. You gonna see me sipping pina coladas on a beach or something. Old as hell, wrinkly with a cane. Teaching my grandkids how to trade Forex. I'm like, you know what, grandkids, this is how your grandpa made a living back in the day. Ooh, the 9 hour. What was that I was just at? Daily? Oh yeah, look at that. Daily rejecting big time, huh? Ah, that's me from Discord. You sent me something on Discord, bro. I'll look at it later if you did. Would you prefer London or New York session? So I get on the charts on London because a lot of times you could catch the move that continues through New York, right? A lot of times. That's why I get on. But I prefer to look at the charts on London and kind of execute my trade like an hour before New York, if that makes sense. And then New York volume to continue my bias. Let's see. He said that's me from Discord. What's on Discord? I don't understand. Buy low prevailed? Anton, what do you mean, bro? So actually, scalper, to answer your question, it's kind of, I prefer like right in the middle. Go on lower price. Price is going lower, yeah. See, is 1 hour closed yet? No, 4 minutes. At least a 50% pullback, Jesus. At least. At least. At least. At least. At least. It was a short trade. I hope you took it. I mean, I'm looking for longs. Whoops. I'll be right back, man. All right. My God. 1 hour looks nice. Yeah, it looks like it's very strong bearish actually. Very strong bearish. Uh, maybe this was NFP, dude. Maybe this was the NFP push because the market opened and just flew up. Maybe. Maybe it priced in later. Who knows? But this 1 hour is taking a leak, man. It is taking a leak. And it should continue to leak. You should now get a pullback probably into this area. Get a pullback into here for the next 1 hour wick up and then continue to the lower zone. So it's gonna wait. It's gonna wait. 1 hour close very strong though. Very, 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 very strong. Very strong. So if I don't get a hectic rejection, like a crazy rejection at one of my zones, I'm not getting in. Because if it doesn't reject hard, like makes the whole 4 hour flip, this because you got to think, right? We want this 4 hour candle to flip bullish and continue to 1937. And if the volume isn't there or the flip isn't there, then it's gonna be hard, man. It's gonna be hard mess. Look at that 1 hour, dude. Look at this 1 hour. So this 1 hour candle needs to drive down lower. It should, right? But first let it make a top wick. Because if this our candle just drives down in this first half hour, I'm gonna milk it the next half hour. Just have a little bit more patience, and let's see. Right? Just being patient, man. Been waiting for about an hour and a half. Right? Just being patient. 5 USD down to C. What do you mean, bro? There we have a doji candle. Not comfortable with taking it. I want it to drive lower. I'm not comfortable with taking a trade in this area. I'm really not comfortable. I'm more comfortable in here or here. Ending the day with no trade better than ending the day with losing trade. I 300% agree with you, bro. And there's times like in the week, like I don't need to trade every day, right? Like last week I took 6 trades. I took 6 or even 7. The week before I only took like 3, right? You don't have to trade every day. Exactly, bro. Well said. Well said. Look at that. 1 hour driving down. 1 hour drive is down in the first half hour. I'm looking to buy it up the next half hour, so let it come down. Might have a buy limit set somewhere. Maybe. Maybe. 1931 to 1926. Bro, what do you be talking about, bro? Like, what do you said 1931 to 1926? I don't understand what you be talking about sometimes, bro. Gold's rejecting again. What to do at that time, bro? Please tell. I don't understand what you're saying, bro. What are you saying? What do you want me to tell, Manish? When I'm getting in a trade or something? I won't. Sorry, I won't. I won't tell you when I'm getting in the trade. Because I'm not here to give you a signal. I'm here to teach you, try to make you look at what I'm looking at for you to get in the trade for yourself. What if I'm like, fuck, I'm not streaming anymore, right? What if you came in every day into my stream just for a trade and I decide to quit tomorrow? Then what? You're asked out. And you got to go to the next person, right? So 1923 looks risky. We need to see 1919 full and balanced field. 1919, yeah. You are OSM. I think that means awesome. I don't know. But I'm not here to give you signals, brother. I'm not here to give you signals, bro. Here to just teach you a little bit, send you on your way. Right? I used to put my little thing down like this, or I used to do that. But then you take a loss on stream and then you're like the worst trader ever, and then people start talking shit, and I don't like that. So now if I'm in a trade, I'm in a trade and you guys would never know. You know what I mean? Only thing I can give you is the zones. Right? That's the only thing I can give you. Cuz you obviously see them on my screen. And obviously if you've been here from the beginning, if you've been here from the beginning, then you know what I'm looking at. You know what I'm looking for. So all you do is then look and probably do the same thing as me. Only OSM, only smart men. That doesn't make sense, bro. GG, bro. You're a beast. Scalper's beast. I thought he came to retracement, bro. This chat, the chat doesn't make sense right now. Like I thought he came to retracement. What do you mean? I hope people aren't looking for longs right now. Don't look for the longs. The longs aren't ready yet. Look at the 1 hour close. Look at this 1 hour close. You think the longs are ready yet? No. No. If anything, you're better off looking for a short right now. No, don't long now. Manish, you do what you want, bro. You want a long, do what you want. You know what I'm saying? I'm being patient. I don't want to buy in this area. Doesn't make sense. You do what you want, Manish. If you want a long, you long. If you want a short, you short. You're the man. You have the power. You have the sell and buy buttons at your position, at your power, not me. Let's have a look here. Let's turn on my lights. Boom. Change that. Boom, just like that. My man Mitch, good morning. Get my man Mitch in here, man. Get my man's in here real quick. Just woke up. Where is it? Discord. My people down in Georgia. I get my weed from California. I want it back in South Denoya. Alright. Yeah, don't buying right now, it's kind of suicide unless you get lucky, right? If you're buying right now, it's kind of suicide unless you get lucky. Let's have a look at my man Mitch's charts. See what Mitch's talking about. Mitch probably in shorts. What? Let me try that again. That wasn't right. There we go. Alright, bro. I don't know what's going on, but I think it doesn't like your chart, bro. Oh, I see the problem. I gotta backspace that just like that. Alright. See? See? It's just looking for shorts. You know what I'm saying? I agree. I 100% agree. What price is that actually, bro? 1926? Oh, my bad. You're in the waiting room, my bad. 1926. I agree. Yeah, you're trying to catch the 1 hour down. I agree 100%. It's that simple. Right? It's that simple.
Yeah, what up, what up?
What up, bro?
My bad, that was a chart from last night.
What? Isn't this
That's last
now?
night. No, that's Asia.
Oh, wait. On the 5. Oh, this is it?
Yeah.
So you caught the trade here? Oh, nice. And then the big move came. And then the big boy stepped in like, yeet. Poof. 150 pips. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What you looking at now? What are you thinking, bro? What are you thinking?
Um, on this 15-minute, I want to see what it's doing with this order block. This zone right there where you at.
This one
I believe. Oh yeah, not
or
that
this
one.
one?
Yeah, that where it's at right now.
This one. This zone.
Yeah, this here. Right? I want to see what we're gonna do with this here, because we could come back in to test this shit before coming down, or we're gonna come up for that shit there. But I definitely see a sell coming. I just want to see where we're gonna sell at.
Yeah, I'm looking for longs. I am looking for
So,
longs. Nah, not here though. I'm not comfortable with that pullback. It could. If it starts consolidating in this area and I see it can't break the low, then I'd wait for the stop hunt and then jump in the stop hunt.
oh, I didn't see it on the 5-minute. Hold on. I like that 5-minute setup right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for.
Dum dum dum.
If the best case scenario for me is for it to come back down to 1919 and then I'll buy it right back up to 1938. That's the best case scenario for me. Second best thing is this area, right? Like Uncle Ben said, with great power comes great responsibility. Trade your plan and take responsibility for your own trades, people. 100%. But that's why I stopped putting it in the chat, or putting like this little thing on, because if I lose, I'm trading my plan. I know what I'm doing, right? I can lose. I don't care. I could lose 10 times, win one trade, and be good. Okay, that's wrong. If I lose 10 trades in a row, I'll probably have to win like 2, or 3. But, yeah. People just, only thing people are good for in this world is judging, right?
Fuck yeah.
That's the only thing people love to do. They just love to judge. I don't care about the judgments. I just gonna move away, move left, go right, and that's it. Chile on high again. That's all. That's all you do is just laugh, bro. Same thing with Antonio. My man's Antonio. Solid fee. What? All right, 15 minutes on some weird stuff. Let's see the 1 hour spin. People love wins, but when you lose, they see your work. Yeah, exactly.
Everybody your best friend when you make money.
That's exactly how it is, right? Everyone loves you when you're making money, but you mess up one time, you're the
To the
worst
fucking
person in, you know.
to the noose you go.
What's up?
To the gallows.
What's up, Alfredo? Mr. Jerry, Mr. Emotional damage.
Emotional damage. Image, what's up? Ash,
What's up? How you?
good, bro. Good.
Oh, I
man.
really want to right here. Yeah,
Looks good, huh?
I think I'm going to. Oh, I didn't even adjust my lot size.
You see, I just turned on the heat. It's too hot now. You know what I mean? I just turned it on. It's way too hot now already. Jesus.
Must be nice, bro.
Nah, cause I was just cold, and I'm like, man, I'm about to go turn on the heat.
Yeah, it's like 30 degrees here.
And it's like 6. It was just 7. It's getting colder. Yes, sir, Mr. Scalper. I just trade gold. I look at other pairs, just mark it up. I used to trade GJ, but GJ just moves too slow, bro. When you make big money, no one believes it too. Depends what you do with your big money, right? I respect. Okay, I respect the people that make money and are very casual and very humble, right? There's two different type of rich people, right? There's the person that is stacked with money and wears like, you won't even tell he has money. And then there's a rich person that flexes, buys the Rolexes, buys the diamond necklaces and stuff like that, buys the Lamborghinis, right? So it all depends on your personality. Me, I'll find myself in the middle somewhere, right? I'll find myself in the middle. I won't flex too hard, but I won't not show it, right? With that mean, I might buy like a AP. You know what I mean? Because you could put an AP in your safe and it makes money over time, right?
Yeah, but watches is something different, man. You should have a watch for every day of the week. You know?
I don't own not a damn single watch.
For real?
No, no, I don't own a watch. I don't like wearing watches. I feel like when I wear the watch, it's like it just chokes my wrists. Like damn, bro. But you gotta get used to that feeling. Like my
Yeah,
uncle
nah.
told me, he's like, you gotta get used to that feeling, man, nephew.
And then once you get used to it, you feel naked without one.
Yeah. 15-minute. 1 hour. Wait, let me see. Let's look at the 1 hour. It has 40. Okay, yeah, we got 40 minutes. Choking wrist. Yeah. Keep your wins for yourself. What is your plan now? My plan is to wait, not do nothing. What's your plan? Manish?
Shit, we got FOMC Wednesday.
Everyone has a job, but you go out for a meal. They want you to pay the whole bill. They say you're that big time trader. I mean, honestly, like in Europe, bro, like um everyone here has their own hustle, right? But I look at it like this. If it's my family, wait. If it's my family, if it's my girl, if it's my sisters, I'll pay, right? But if I know you, oh man, this actually looks pretty good now.
Yes, sir.
But if I know, right, if we go out to a restaurant, it's like 5 of us, 6 of us. I'm not gonna pay for 6 grown ass men that make their own money. Fuck, I look like, especially if you're not family, right? We're gonna split that bill. For my family, 100%, I'm paying the whole tab. I took my girl out yesterday, right? I paid the whole tab, everything, right? Like I feel my mom's fridge. You pay that whole tab, right? But when it's 5 of y'all or 6 of y'all and all y'all make money and y'all all boys, then split that bill, man. Hey, bro, what are your confluences? I just joined. I look for a bunch of things, bro. Zones, Fibonacci, price action, break structures on the lower time frames. There's a bunch of stuff, bro. There's a bunch of stuff, right? That I look for. Oh man, look at that. 1 hour looks like that's the pullback. You know official lens? I don't. Who's that? What's your plan now? Wait, still. You looking for long or short? I'm looking for what you're looking for. If you tell me when you short and I'll short with you, and you tell me when you buy and I'll buy with you.
I'm about to buy right now. Let's buy together.
Sheesh, yeah. Means you're looking for long? Probably. I mean, that's been my plan since I got on. Since I got on the charts, right? My plan was to go long. But where? So we need to wait an hour. So we need to wait another hour and a half. If that's your plan, bro, I'm not gonna give you guys any signal to buy or sell. That's all on you guys. Want to buy and sell? That's all on you. I'm waiting for my zones. I'm waiting for it to hit. I'm being patient right now. Right. I want price to come down into one of my zones, and then I want price action to show me that it's ready to buy. Right. It kind of already did here, but not the way I want. I feel like 38.20 is not gonna cut it for me. And if you have to wait another hour and 30 minutes, then wait another hour and 30 minutes, bro. I don't think it'll take that long, though. I think it's coming up. Buys are coming up. If you break it down on the 15-minute, or let's go to the 5-minute, there's more details there. You see, right up here, right, very nice, strong bullish candles, right? Then you start seeing like bears take over, rejection, trendline break, boom. And you start here, see here you had your last two big candles, which means last volume was here, smaller candles, smaller bearish candles, bigger bullish candles, right? Momentum, market momentum. Why don't I give signals? Nah, I don't know. It's not me, bro. I mean, I tried it, and it honestly messed up my own psychology. I can't do that stuff, man. It messed up my own psychology.
Come on, don't do it here. A
And
little higher, man.
and yeah, you don't learn anything from signals. Like I said, like say like I provide you signals for a week, and then I decide I'm done quitting YouTube or done quitting signals, then you don't have nowhere to make your money, right? So yeah, invest in yourself and learn. Exactly. Investing in, I mean, investing in yourself is one of the best things you could do. Like for me to learn how to trade, I bought courses. You know, I hacked a couple of courses. I learned by learning from my mistakes. I got data, right? That's how you learn. It's a long journey. You're gonna step on a lot of glass before you step on grass, though. I'll tell you that. Your feet's gonna bleed before you reach the grass and heal your wounds. Trust. I got my people down in Georgia. Da, da, da. I get my weed from California. What is that song called, bro?
Peaches?
It's called Peaches?
I think so.
That shit's hard, man. It's just like one of those. It's like one of those songs you riding, sun's out, sunglasses, right? Jamming, singing with them. Brother, give me some signals now because I'm stupid and I have minus IQ. Then you shouldn't be trading, bro.
Sell on the break of.
Nah, don't tell him that shit, bro. You shouldn't be trading, bro. Then you shouldn't be trading.
Come on. You know you want to.
If your IQ's fucked like that, then you shouldn't be trading, bro.
You should be shitting on your pants.
Yeah. Pure alchemy. What you can do then is, if you want to trade, you gotta pay someone to trade for you. If you can't do it like that, then you have to go look for a signal service, bro. They roasting them now. That's messed up, bro. That's messed up, man.
Yo, who was the dude who used to say that shit all the time? Close your eyes and just click.
I don't know. Sometimes it's like that. Like, there's people that are scared to buy and sell. Close your eyes is just click. Don't use bad language. It's my fast, bro.
What does that got to do? Fasting is not eating. What does
Yeah.
language and not eating have to do with anything?
I wish you the best on your fasting, but I'm not gonna watch my mouth. Right.
What is it? Ramadan Umakbar or some shit like that? Congratulations. But, you know.
I have a lot of Muslim friends. You know, they're all fasting, but they never told me to shut my mouth. You know what I mean? They never told me to cuss. And trust me, I have a lot of Muslim friends. They're right now not eating, right? So, but they never told me to watch my mouth. The fuck you think this is? Turn off the stream then. Right?
Muslims and Christians. Well, buddy, Muslims cuss a lot, first off. They fucking cuss you out. They cuss your whole generation out. It's not just go fuck yourself. It's go fuck every person in your fucking single bloodline. All right. So let's not try and say I don't like the curse because their curses are fucking meaningful.
Yeah, he means he's spiritual. I mean, yeah, he could be spiritual, but if you're spiritual, then you shouldn't be on the internet because the internet is just one big pothole of non-spiritual things, right? You click on YouTube, you click on a dude named Bank Robber, and you hear him curse, right? I mean,
Emotional damage.
right? You know what I mean? Like, TBH, you're not meant to curse, but you have a choice to do, or yeah, exactly.
The fuck out of here.
But I
My
saw a
mouth is
question
meant-
from Eddie. Do you think luck is involved in trading success? No. I don't think luck's involved in trading success. Because if you think luck's involved in trading success, then you can also go to the casino, bro. You know, because in the casino you get lucky, right?
Depends on what game you're playing.
Yeah. I remember that day.
Because
I remember that day. I went to the. I was at the casino. I came in with like 600. I was down to my last 100. I went to the roulette table with that 100. Put it on red. I popped 200. Put that 200 on red again. I popped 400. And I lost. And I won, and I ended up coming home with I think it was like 1,008. It was just playing red and black on the casino.
yeah, my wife hates when we go to the casino. She
Yeah,
want me to do the slots with her and shit.
fuck
I'm
that.
right to the fucking tables.
Yeah, when I go to the casino, man, I leave my credit card in the car. I leave my card in the car. I only take cash, and that's it. Because, man,
They got ATMs everywhere.
got ATMs every corner. Every corner has an ATM.
Oh, I wonder if we could smoke in the casinos now. Because you could smoke cigarettes in the casino. So I should be able to roll a blunt and smoke while I'm fucking at the poker table. Help with my fucking poker face, you know?
People bugged out 100%. Trading versus gambling? Yeah. Yeah. Baccarat non-stop? It takes time to
Oh
trade well. For
shit.
example, if you ride motorcycles with friends and one pulls off a long wheelie to learn, that takes time too. A lot of falls. Yeah,
Mr.
exactly.
Marion Pure CBD store. What's up, my man? Yo, DM me
That is
if you
smart.
buy it.
Yeah.
If you're in New York.
Smoke weed in casino. Where is that at? I don't know. At least here, ATM and casinos don't have a limit withdrawal. That's what they want. They're like, yeah, just throw your house down. I don't care.
Yeah. Sign your kids
They don't
over. We'll
care.
take them.
Yeah, yeah, they really don't care. I mean, online casino, I don't mess. I do what I like to do though. I haven't done it in a while, but it's Poker Stars, and you have these what is it called? Tournaments, and your entry's like $10, but you can make like $1,000. I do those. I used to do those a lot, and I got second once, and that's it. I have that badge on my Poker Stars as well. It's pretty dope. But I like real life poker anyway. Yeah, I'm not liking it, man. It's too much consolidation. Go to Nugget. I'm not liking this consolidation. I mean, it's hard, man. Let me just wait for the 1 hour to close. It's hard right now to see if this level's ready because the lower time frames aren't giving me any. Right, they gave me one signal. It's not gonna cut it. Right, it's not gonna cut it. It is not going to cut it.
Shit's a nasty ass fucking range.
Yeah, it is.
Just wants to print small and then go back up. And then print small and go back down. I'm glad I ain't enter. I'd have been madder than a motherfucker standing in limbo. Yo, Mr. Merryman, where's your CBD store at? All this talk about weed. Gotta roll up now, guys.
I think the next 1 hour candle is gonna tell us if it's ready to buy or not.
Yo, so if I was during Ramadan, y'all can't like smoke either. I mean, I know you're not supposed to smoke.
They're not supposed to do nothing. They're not supposed to smoke. They're not supposed to drink until like I think it's 10 p.m.
Sun up to sundown, right?
Something like that. I'm not sure. I kind of don't want to speak on their behalf and be wrong about it.
Yo, that shit used to be crazy, man. Cause when we was kids, man, my boys used to be fucking fasting. We'd be outside. They would play football with us all day, yo, and then not have not one drink, nothing. And I'd be like, yo, y'all is crazy. Cause they be out there all day with us.
Yeah, yeah, my homies is like that too. Like they're just used. I mean, they're not used to it. It's just mentally prepared. You know, they mentally prepare like a week before, right?
No water, no food. So now, like, can you like stuff the fuck in your face and shit?
I don't even think you could splash water in your face.
No. Stuff your
MKZ,
face.
sun up to sun down. Okay, trade while stoned or caffeinated. No water, no food, bro. I used to run cross country fasting. Most of the same thing I've ever done. Yeah, man, you probably be tired at the end of the run, man.
Yeah, that's crazy. Cause cross country, y'all running like like
Miles.
miles and shit.
Miles, like long miles.
You would, yo, your muscles is probably fucking beast though. Trying to run dehydrated like that.
I think the buys are about to pop up. You could wash up. Okay. Yeah, I didn't know that. I didn't know that.
Now, what is the significance, right? So I know, like, I'm Catholic right now, so we almost done with fucking Lent and our 40-day of fasting, right? What is the significance of y'all fasting? Because ours is like he's trapped in the desert with no food for 40 days. 3 miles, bro. I would sleep immediately. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Also to bring you closer to God. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, because you fucking starving yourself. No, I'm not trying to, knock your religion, but that's why it's bringing you closer to God because you're hungry. That's why being a Catholic is a little bit easier because y'all are strict and we're like, hey, you know, you could fast or you could not fast. To the Jesus? Is that supposed to be Jews?
To the Jews, yeah.
It's the same reason fasting was. That's not the same reason.
Fasting is to feel what the poor people feel when they don't have anything to eat.
That-
I mean, I don't want to laugh because it might be true, but I don't know, bro. I'm honestly, you know, I have friends that fast, but I don't know nothing about it, honestly. You know what I mean?
Pimpin' Pips.
Yeah, pimping pips. This man pimping pips, bro. You done changed logos like 6 times today, bro. Why couldn't we send the demon out? Fasting and prayer will do it. All right.
Man, I can't drive the demon because that motherfucker gas is too goddamn high.
I get that one. The Hellcat. I get it. I get that one. I get that one. Scat pack. Oh man, that's a good one.
Yeah, I'm looking to get a elephant though, for real.
Looking to
It's
get an
the
elephant.
no the elephants, yo. It's they're the Durangos with the fucking Hellcat in it.
Okay.
They call them the elephants.
Okay.
So when I take my kids everywhere, we could go everywhere fast. Or that new Bronco that came out.
Also, fasting, wash all your senses because we're fasting. We avoid all bad things on our eyes and our actions and our hearing. Okay. All right, bro. I mean,
So now, all y'all are y'all in America fasting, or are y'all in other countries fasting? Because in American fasting, motherfuckers say they fasting, right? And then you catch them and they got cigarettes hanging out their mouth and shit. That's why I asked about the smoking shit.
I'm in Florida. All right. I'm from the UK. Okay. Nice.
Damn, bro, you was running miles fasting in Florida? That's some crazy heat, bro. That's even on top of the fucking heat that I was expecting.
Anyway, I think I'm about to end the stream. So exactly, as I'm still waiting for my zone to get hit, right? See if price wants to continue higher in any one of these zones. If not, if it wants to go up from here, perfect. I don't think I'll get in the trade. But yeah, I appreciate everyone that came in. Appreciate all the good topics we talked about. You guys are shit. I'll catch you guys tomorrow, same time, same vibes. Love.
Yeah.
See y'all later, man. Peace.